What's up guys, it's Raul TV, Team R for UL. We're back again, and what we're doing this time round is I've got a 2009, 2008-9 kind of thing, Toyota Aygo, and I'm gonna show you guys how to replace the rear bulbs. Right, dead easy job, taking 5 minutes. Let's go, let's do it. Right, the first thing we're going to do, guys, is obviously we've opened the tailgate, the boot. We're going to take this screw off. We're going to take that little plastic plug off. Take this to a side. We're going to take that off. That will pull off as well. Let's do it. That's out of the way. Then we're going to pull that. There we go. Pull that out. And there's a little 10mm nut right there. As you can just make it out. I'll point it out in the edit. We need to take that nut off. And that's about it. If you haven't got a ratchet spanner, just get yourself a normal spanner. It'll do the job. It's just like it's going to take you a bit longer with the normal spanner. So after you've slackened it, all you do is get your fingers in there. Take that nut off, as you can see. This light is moving there. That should come straight out. Right, I'm going to be straight up honest with you guys. Mine, obviously, I've took it off before. That's why, just to show you guys. It will put up a little bit of a fight. What you do is just get a little bit of a persuasion, flat screwdriver in there, just pry it out. All we're going to do is we're going to take that wiring plug out, just there, get a little flat screwdriver there, get a little flat screwdriver there, push that little pin, that little plug, and then that plug comes off, the whole light will just come straight out in your hands. Right, once in your hand, it's absolutely plain sailing. All it is, it's got little clips here. As you can see, one there, that one there, this one. Should be another one there, it's not there. Should be another one there, it's not there, it's broken off. And one more here. So 4 little clips, take them 4 clips off, and we can gain access to the bulb. Right, I've undone them. All I'll do is just put that down, and there we go, there we have it. All 3 bulbs there. You've got your fog light. I'm doing the offside one, I'm in the UK. You got your fog light, brake light, and the indicator. Go ahead and replace all of them. Happy days, job done. In order to change the bulb, it's absolutely like changing a household bulb. All you do is just press down and twist. Right, I've got a camera in my hand, so I can't really show you guys, but just dead easy. You'll see, you'll figure it out. All you do is just press down and then twist it anti-clockwise. That should come straight out. I've got all of them on there. I'm just gonna bang it onto the lamp. And that's it. Okay, I've got that switch back on, that plug back on, sorry. All you do is line that little bolt up in that bolt hole, get it in there, line them little grommets up as well, and there we have it. That's on. All you do is put that 10mm nut back on and try the brakes or try the lights. Mine was the brake light bulb. You can go ahead and change all of them if you want, and that's about it. That's it, job done, bulbs on. All you have to do is try it, it should work, there's no reason why it shouldn't work. What it is, 5 minutes job, saves you from going to the garage, you know, messing about and everything. You can do it outside your house, no problem. So like, share and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button for me, leave a comment in the comment section, and I will see you guys soon.